Hi all. Welcome to another episode. Today, we will be covering the topic: long-term pivot width forecasting. Forecasting price movement via pivot width can be a powerful practice. In fact, understanding when a market is likely to trade in a range or explode into a new trend gives you a huge advantage and can be the crystal ball that guides your trading for a typical day, month, or year. If the pivots are abnormally tight, the market has a higher tendency to break out and trend. Conversely, an unusually wide pivot range typically results in a sideways or trading range market. How to add CPR width indicator for weekly and monthly charts. Open Indicators and Settings and search CPR width. By default, CPR width indicator will show you the width for daily time frame. In Settings, change the pivot width resolution from day to weekly if you are using weekly pivots. How to use CPR width indicator. Width typically means the width between top central pivot and bottom central pivot. Basically, any reading below the midline of 0.5 indicates a trending type of week, and reading below 0.5 will be highlighted in green color. While any reading above the midline of 0.5 indicates a sideways or trading range week. Let's check an example. As we can notice, for the last 3 weeks, Bank Nifty exploded when the CPR reading was below 0.5 and traded sideways once the reading was above 0.5. Amazing, isn't it? Task for the week. Backtest Nifty 50 stock data for the past few weeks using CPR width indicator and find out how often stocks were trending when the reading was below 0.5. Conclusion: CPR width is just an indicator, and it isn't always right. However, the frequency in which this indicator nails the market can be fascinating at times. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.